Hi, this is Michelle, and this is my Cat's Meow month with mini album scraps at minialbumscraps.ning.com. And this one is from Cheryle. I think you say her name, Whedon. And I was going to start opening it so that I didn't make a lot of noise in my camera. Sorry, I gotta fix my camera. Wondering if I should adjust my camera. Hang on one sec, let me adjust this. Okay, I'm going to try this again. I tell you, I'm horrible at this filming stuff. But anyway, so I started to open it to make it easier so I didn't have to do all the crinkling. And then I saw a surprise that it's Downton Abbey. So that way I can open it with you guys. And I asked for Downton Abbey stuff because I love Downton Abbey. And I saw on a YouTube video Downton Abbey paper crafting stuff, and when I saw that I was like, oh, I have to have some, but I wasn't able to find any, so I put it on my wish list that I really wanted it. So she sent me this Downton Abbey's luxury card making kit, and it is very, very heavy. I think that she's put everything in here. And look at even Masterpiece Theater. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, she did. Okay. She put everything in there. I'm excited. Oh, what a beautiful card. And I've got it upside down. Oh, there we go. That's a beautiful card. It's gorgeous. That's beautiful. She says, I think I can read this. I think it'll be fine. She says, I hope this finds you well. I wanted to let you know I did try to get the kit you wanted, but it was sold out. Oh, so I shared one I had. How sweet. I know you will enjoy using all the fun pieces. The flip book I made is based on a tutorial by Scrap the World. Tamika, enjoy your goodies, Cheryle. That is so sweet that you shared your kit. Thank you. That's very generous of you. Thank you. Yeah, that was the problem I had. I couldn't find it. I found like the flowers at Tuesday morning, and that was about it. Oh, cool. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, I'm very tactile. It's a beautiful tassel. Beautiful. Beautiful tassel. It's got all these lovely pieces in it. That's gorgeous. Thank you. Look at this pretty trim. Let's see, I'm going to take up the whole time sitting here looking at each and every little bit. That's beautiful. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Cheryle. This will go on display in my room. And this is a pretty little package. Pretty little package. Oh, what a gorgeous way to store those. I have never seen any ribbon gifted like that. I love that. She gifted it in this little package. And then you open it like a little flip book. And see, she put that in. And it's all these beautiful trims. What a beautiful way to gift it. I love that. Oop. Sorry, look. I am so sorry. I told y'all I am horrible at this filming thing. And I've got to figure out how to tighten up my camera. Hang on, let me pause this one more time. All right, let's see if that works. I tell y'all I am horrible at this. And I'm like leaning over it. But I think I got it fixed now, I think. But this is beautiful. And I like this trim here. I've never seen trim like that. Look at that. I've never seen trim like that. Thank you so much. I love that. What a neat way to gift it. Okay, should I rip this open? Should I cut it? I'm going to cut it. Oh, and those are I'm using the wrong scissors. You know, those are supposed to be for my sewing. Okay, I'm just going to rip it. Oh, these are pretty. I don't think I've ever seen these. They're beautiful buttons. They are. They're so pretty. And Tim Holtz. Can't go wrong with Tim Holtz. They're beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. This box is packed full of goodness. All these colors that she packaged them in all match too. Oh, what is this? Ooh, I don't have these. Spectrum Noir. Oh, look, see, dadgummit. My horrible country accent came out there. Okay, Spectrum Noir Sparkle Glitter Brush Pens. Those are super cool. I have never seen these before. Oops, I think I opened it the wrong way. I should probably wait before I make a mess. Hang on. I'm going to pause this again. Okay, I'm such a mess. Look, I opened them the wrong way. And look, I spilled them on me. I totally opened them the wrong way. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. But thank you. I'm going to enjoy playing with those. Ooh, these are cute little rosebud flowers. Nice. And that's beautiful. Oh, that's resin. Did you make that? I think she made that. If so, you did a good job, and a good job painting it or distressing it, whatever. That's nice. Definitely use it. Oh, and a nice little... Oh, see, I'm a mess. A nice little locket. Nice, thank you. Oh, and these are handmade. These are handmade doilies. That's a square one. How cool is that? Or did you cut these off of a bigger piece? I have one tablecloth that I found that I'm slowly cutting apart, but the doilies aren't quite this pretty. These are beautiful. I like the shape of them. Thank you, Cheryl. Ooh, and here's a big one. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, it looked like a little box, but it sure is full. Look at these big, huge lobster clasps. Those are huge, and they're the nice swivel ones. Nice. She gave me 2 of those. Nice. And look at the beautiful... Whoop! See? Hot mess. Hot mess. I'm a hot mess. Beautiful beads. Some cabochons. These are beautiful. Look. There we go. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And some rondelles in there. Thank you. Nice. Gemstones with a doily and a flower. Nice. That's nice. Never seen that either. That's nice. Thank you. Did you put that on there or did it come with it? I don't know, but I like it. Thank you. Oh, this looks like trim. Looks like pearl trim. Oh, how cool. This tiny little black trim. You see? Yeah. See? Nice. How nice. Oh, and flat black. Flat back black trim. Oh, goodness. I should pack this all up and start back over again. Jeez. And that's nice too. Thank you. Ooh, and this is pretty too. More flat back trim. Ooh. Wonderful trims. Thank you. Ooh, and here's something else that she packaged. So cute. Look at that. I mean, that's cute. That is cute. I love it. I love that. Do I have... Nope, I can just open it. Oh, awesome. What a beautiful way to package stuff. And these are all wood pieces. I don't want to take them out because I don't want to mess up her packaging. Because I like it. Probably leave it in here for a little while. That's cute. Thank you, thank you. I love that packaging. I love it. So cute. It's like a matchbook. Ooh, that was taking me a minute. Cute, cute. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I mean, this box is packed. That's a nice bag. It's cute. God, how embarrassing. I better just laugh through this. Oh, wee. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let me see if I can get it up close without knocking the camera over. Isn't that pretty? This trim is pretty. That's gorgeous, Cheryl. Okay. I'm going to open it slowly so I can savor it. Reasons to smile. Oh, ta-da! Look. Okay. And then it opens more. Look at that. How stinking cool. This is a little pocket that has goodness. Look at that. Little tags. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm like, oh, let me see if there's something else. That's beautiful. And then there's this. Huh? Look at all this happiness in here. Oh, neat. Oh. Oh, I thought they flipped out like that or something. Look at that. How cool. And I'm not even in the shot. Love this. It's epic. How cool. I mean, look at that pocket. It's beautiful. Where'd you get this idea? Is this what you were saying you got from Scrap the World, Tamika? I love it. I love it. Look at this. Love it. That is so cool. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's just my style, too. Just my style. Man, oh man, I love this. Look at that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So it does all this. Stinking cool. I love it. I love it. Thank you, thank you. Let's see, that's heavy. Wow, look at these Prima pearls. So pretty. So, so pretty, Cheryl. Fantastic package, and I'm still not through. I am not about to cut this ribbon. Oh, gosh. Is this another handmade thing? No, I was about to say, my word, you'd made a ton. Oh, this really makes my heart warm. I can't believe you shared your stuff from your Downton Abbey kit. Especially when it's hard to find. That is so generous of you. These beautiful flowers. And beautiful ribbons. And I think she used this one also to package it from here. Oh, and some are already in bows. You were so kind to share this stuff. Beautiful trims. Oh, this is the card making kit. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know, though, that I'll use them to make cards. I think I'll use this on mini albums and stuff. And they come with the envelopes. Nice. All these sayings. I just love this because I so agree. Is there anything more frilling than a new frock? Because if it were up to me, I would wear those kind of dresses every day. Love it. Oh, love these. These are like the stickers that you can place like on your envelopes and stuff to close them. And place cards. Oh, and she used one of these place cards on her address label to send to me. It was the address label. I gotta open these. See if I can open them without knocking the camera over. I can do it. I know I can. Let's see. Okay. Oh, see, these are all very Downton Abbey. Looks like they're wallpaper and clothes. They're frocks. Love it. Thank you, Cheryl. And look at these. I gotta open these too. I love them. They're so shabby chic. At my age, one must ration one's excitement. Man. These are so nice. The world moves on and we must move on with it. What in Wonderland do you call that? Aren't you a wild thing? Oh, I love them. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and then these go in the cards. Oh, I'm going to rip it. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. See, I'm going to have to watch some YouTube videos and see how they used them and decide if I want to use them for cards or scrapbooks. Nice. Thank you. Ooh. I gotta watch my time. I can't go over 30 minutes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Nice. And another one. Nice. Another one. This one's beautiful. Wow. Cheryl, I think you shared a huge portion of your kit. Look at all these. Oh, and these are big cards. It's a nice pattern. So very kind of you. Oops, I just opened it the wrong way. These are more of the inserts for the inside. Wow, and more of these. Man, I can't believe you shared this much. Wow. Thank you, Cheryl. Okay, and this is the last thing. I know, I should just rip into it, but this is something else, Downton Abbey, too. I can tell. Stamps! Ah! And a die? Oh, how awesome. And it says it's an ornate mirror. I love it. That's a beautiful die. Let's look at these stamps. Oh, here's the... Let's see if I can do this without knocking the camera over. It has the perfume bottle and a goblet. Oh, it's so pretty. And that saying I just love. Cheryl, you are so kind to have shared this with me. And then all the other stuff. What a wonderful package. Wonderful, wonderful, generous package. Thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you, thank you. Bye.